Hello everyone, welcome to Small Motor Car. Today we have got a 1977 Aston Martin Vantage, V8 Vantage to be precise, and this casting is by Matchbox, and it's part of their, as you can see, Matchbox collectors. So it's the like premium you get from Hot Wheels, but Matchbox focuses more on being close to the actual car. Their Hot Wheels can have different iterations, fancier wheels, and these Matchbox are more close to what you will see on a diecast replica. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And while I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe. If you like my videos, leave a comment. If you don't like my videos, leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, again, leave a comment. So here is the Aston out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this cool blue paint. Looks really good. And I don't think we see this on Astons a lot nowadays. I think they did this. Looks good. Now, let's start from the front. Up front, you got nice details here. You got detailed headlamp. You got a chrome bumper. There is space for fog lamps, but they are not detailed. You also got this Aston Martin badge on the hood, right there. Hood with a big bump or bulge here, suggesting it's got a big V8. You also got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. So good details up front. You also got this detailed grille and the chrome trim that goes around. So I like the details front. Let's move to the driver's side. Again, good details here. You got this trim paste that goes there over the vent. You got this marker light like this. Again, the chrome running boards. Not to the running boards, sorry. The chrome sill here, which looks good. Detailed handlebars. Again, the chrome detail or trim around the window, which looks good. Also, you can see these wheels. These wheels look more like what you will get on an actual car. So again, good details there. But I think the actual car had chrome ones. I'm not sure. Be the same color. Again, these look better than what you get normally on a Matchbox or Hot Wheels. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You can see you've got detailed headlamp. You got stop lights at the back. I think British cars need to have fog lamps in the back too. So you got that. You got the Aston Martin badge right here. Also got the chrome bumper and number plate, which reads Aston Martin, and below that it reads V1. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. V1 NT175. I don't know if it suggests something. I'm not sure. What it suggests is 1975. Maybe. But it's a 1977 model. I don't know why it says that. I'm sure. You can also see the twin exhaust at the bottom. Again, good details at the back. Looks good. And coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. No major differences which I can see. Interior is done in black, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I like this. It's a nice looking casting. Looks really good, and I do like those classic British cars. So whenever Matchbox or Hot Wheels does those, I end up getting those. Let me know what you think about this. Is it something you like or not? Or would have you wanted to see something else on this car by Matchbox? Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.